Alright, this is the 12-17 recap. I'm just gonna get straight into it because I'm busy right now. But I'm gonna show you the open today, and you can see the open pumped up a lot. Plus, what caused that open to pump up? We had these equal lows that we took out. I was in shorts because I saw a sell model up here on a 5-minute because we had a fair value gap. Plus a liquidity sweep. You can see it right here. Not entirely a liquidity sweep, but I'd like to see this because we took on an external high and we went lower and we created this fair value gap that we were respecting. And some people in short, they put their stops to break even when we got into it, and we were targeting equal lows, and we did take out the equal lows, but I went them lower. But you can see when we took out the equal lows, we created a turtle soup because we had a fair value gap underlying it, and we immediately pumped back up and we formed the sell model. And I didn't want to take this because I was skeptical of today's price action, and I was watching how we formed low resistance liquidity and how our order flow was in general. We created low resistance liquidity, which is this bunch of lows, really choppy lows, and we took it out really fast, and that's the nature of low resistance liquidity. And we have this low that I want to see get taken out throughout the entire day because there was a bunch of equal lows and we didn't reach back down to it. And I took this one short, which we pushed back up into this order block inside of a fair value gap, which is also a Reaper fair value gap because we already invalidated it. We failed to use it as an inverse and we're now back down below it. So we just took out this high, we formed the market maker reversal because we failed to take up this high, and we respected the constant encroachment of this fair value gap plus this order block that was lying on top of it, which was perfect for shorts, and I wasn't able to call it on time, but I personally took it, and I was targeting this low that I want to see get taken out, which was 40 candles, but I ended up cutting it at this low once we got this reaction off of it because we took it up, and our entire bias throughout the day was higher. And we called it a 4-handle loss because I saw the same setup for me, a sell model with this fair value gap plus this order block right here, and the short did not work. 4-handle loss, but that's all we really did today. Looking at today's price action, we really shouldn't place a trade because if you look at the higher time frames, I was saying the entire day, conditions were low probability. You can see how choppy it was. We didn't really go anywhere. Just chop throughout the entire day. PM session, we couldn't even call it trade PM. If you would have held long throughout the entire day, we wouldn't have really went anywhere. There was no clear move, so today was more accumulation. We were also expecting this to have a price action on Monday, but Monday and Tuesday we had no high impact news, so we could see really bad price action throughout the week, but we did end up pushing higher. So I don't really have any other concepts to teach right now. You guys already know sell models, inverse PD arrays, everything. But if we find something tomorrow, which I'm going to be long trading tomorrow because I don't have school, if there's any type of concept I have in there, I will let you guys know. So let's just do an analysis for what we're looking for tomorrow, and I'm also going to update this. Okay, daily, we're obviously pushing higher. I'm still in that bullish bias because we shouldn't be fighting trends. All we really need to do is mark out our PD arrays. And we have this fair value gap down here, which needs to get filled, but I doubt we're going to do that yet. If we form a sell model after pushing up higher, then we can do that. Okay, up on the hourly. This fair value gap, which is much more probable to tap into. We might turtle soup based on this low, but with CPI tomorrow, we're a little bit uncertain. Okay, fixing it. Diving down, doing top-down analysis. This is how you should do it. We're finding it down to these equal lows right here. We don't really have any other PD array except for this little, what's it called, mitigation block right here. So let's mark out a mitigation block, line it up with the wicks in the candle, and just keep this lined up. So this is a high confluence zone. If we see price tap back into it, which could be right now, it could be tomorrow during London session, multiple times we can tap back into it. That's where I want to see a reaction off of to push us higher. Now, to finalize it, we have to look at DXY to see the strength of the US dollar. So 15-minute, we gapped up, formed this massive volume of balance, but it looks like we're pushing through it. So I want to see if we get a reaction at constant encroachment to push us up a little bit higher, but that would be our retrace. We also have these equal highs plus this fair value gap. We have a clearing soup on DXY, so the retracement into higher prices is more than probable right now. We failed to shift, or we failed to break structure lower, so this could also be a reversal, but I highly doubt it with this high right here. So most likely with CPI tomorrow, we're going to sweep it, push up higher, then go lower. So eyes for tomorrow, bullish.